As of the in a real sense, the most recent update, Cardano is exchanging at around $0.5890 amazingly. The cost of one ADA would explicitly reach as genuinely high as $0.854 by 2025, which sort of is very critical. There is somewhat potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as beautiful high as $61 toward 2030 in an unpretentious manner's end. In a bullish situation, Cardano could for the most part outperform the $1.85 mark for 2050, displaying possible vertical energy in a significant way. Cardano ADA especially is expected to generally arrive at a truly greatest cost of $257 continuously 2040, or so they thought. Starting around 25 February 2024, Cardano, in every practical sense, is exchanging at $0.5890 in terms of its Erst rate, with the value change of 27% in most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very critical. ADA, in every practical sense, has a sort of all-out market cap of $2,892,116,518. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of that of 342,36,677, which especially is genuinely huge. This truly makes Cardano ADA, especially positioning at 8 in the digital money market, amazingly. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Cardano basically be essentially worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Cardano an especially wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2024, which all things considered is genuinely critical? Will ADA cost especially outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? These generally are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in a really significant manner. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost for the most part is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $0.557, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to explicitly be $0.8321, exhibiting how in a bullish situation, Cardano could basically outperform the $4.85 mark for 2050, displaying truly possible vertical energy, or so they certainly thought. Besides, ADA can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.9647 in an unpretentious manner. ADA value estimate February 2024. The Cardano gauge for February 2024 expects that the ADA may sort of arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.63 with a really least cost of around $0.5656, exhibiting how, as of the sort of the most recent update, Cardano is exchanging at around $0.5890 in an especially significant manner. Discussing the essentially normal value, ADA can truly stretch around $0.6186 for February in a for the most part significant manner. Cardano ADA value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Cardano in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.68139 and $0.16610 in an unpretentious manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.6433, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. ADA value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is determined to sort of be at around an all things considered least worth of $4.55. Pretty further appearance how also ADA can explicitly arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $0.191647 in a truly significant manner. The Cardano value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $0.6867 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $0.6691 in USD, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano value forecast May 2024. The cost of Cardano in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to basically reach at a kind of least worth of $0.6597 in May 2024 in a very significant way. The ADA cost could basically arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.7135 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.6891 all through 2024, exhibiting that while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.6433 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for Cardano could stretch around $0.7480, which explicitly is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in June 2024 explicitly is $0.6884 with a for the most part normal cost of $0.7098 incredibly. Cardano ADA value conjecture July 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for July 2024 may arrive at a truly least worth of $0.7075, while the most extreme gauge cost by and large is around $0.10763 in a for the most part huge manner. The by and large normal cost for ADA especially is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach $0.7311 in July 2024. Cardano ADA value gauge August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Cardano essentially is especially anticipated to sort of arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.7530, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.8056 and at least $0.7236, which sort of is genuinely critical. Cardano ADA value estimate September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Cardano for the most part is by and large anticipated to arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0.7032, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $432 and at least $0.7596, or so they basically thought. Cardano value forecast. October 2024. The cost of Cardano sort of is by and large anticipated to in a real sense reach at a sort of least worth of $0.799 in October 2024, which fundamentally is very critical. The ADA cost could sort of arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.8824, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.8145 all through 2024, exhibiting that ADA value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Cardano really is determined to by and large be at around a truly least worth of $0.6455 in every practical sense. Further appearance how additionally ADA can by and large arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.19647, which especially is very critical. Cardano value expectation November 2024. The cost of Cardano basically is explicitly anticipated to by and large reach at least worth of $0.1813 in November 2024, which sort of is very critical. The ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme worth of $231 with a typical exchanging worth of $308 all through 2024, exhibiting that ADA value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Cardano is gauged to explicitly be at around a by and large least worth of $0.6455, certainly further appearance how also ADA can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $647. Cardano ADA value gauge December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Cardano certainly is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at an essentially normal cost of $2,557, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $1947 and a by and large least of $23 and $21 in a fundamentally enormous manner.